Yeah, beautiful people, I hope you are fine and doing great. Well, if you're new here, hi, and if you've already been here, thank you so much for returning back. It truly means the world. Today's video is gonna be on 5 to 10 affordable brands available in India which are easily accessible and are of good quality and all of that. I'll talk about 9 such brands in detail further in this video, but in case you want to know which brands those are, I'm gonna talk about Nika K, Swiss Beauty, Blue Heaven, LA Colors, Miss Claire, Wet n Wild, Lakme, Maybelline, and Nykaa. So in case you are interested to know anything about those brands in detail, please keep on watching this video. But there's a small disclaimer. मैंने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स को ना ट्राई नहीं किया है. आई हैव ट्राइड सम प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम दोज ब्रांड्स जो कि आई ऑल्सो गिव अ मिनी रिव्यू अलॉन्ग विद द वीडियो. बट मैंने हर एक प्रोडक्ट को ट्राई नहीं किया है जो भी मैं बात करने वाली हूँ, और हर एक ब्रांड को भी ट्राई नहीं किया टू बी रियली ऑनेस्ट. बट जो भी मैंने इंक्लूड किया इस वीडियो में, आई रेड द रिव्यूज नाइसली फॉर यू गाइस, ताकि आपको उतना सर्च ना करना पड़े. क्योंकि ना क्या होता है, मेरे साथ भी ऐसा होता है कि आजकल इतने सारे ब्रांड्स हैं कि हम लोग ना कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि कौन से ब्रांड से परचेज करें, कौन सा एक्चुअली अच्छा है, कौन सा अच्छा नहीं है, कौन सा क्वांटिटी अच्छा है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो आई डिड अ फुल रिसर्च कि कौन से ब्रांड्स अच्छे हो सकते हैं. आई रेड द रिव्यूज एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड तभी आई डिसाइडेड टू मेक दिस वीडियो. नाउ देयर इज सम ऑफर गोइंग ऑन Nykaa which are really good offers. So right now you can go and shop from them. I was just surfing and I got this, so I thought why not tell you guys in this video. Disclaimer was that कि मैंने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स खुद ट्राई नहीं किए हैं, कुछ मैंने रिव्यू देखे हैं, कुछ मैंने ट्राई किए. ऊपर ही आपको मैं बता रही हूँ कि कैसा है नहीं है. एंड प्लीज डोंट ब्लाइंडली बाई और यूज द प्रोडक्ट्स आई एम गोना से. इस वीडियो में आई एम ओनली ट्राइंग टू गिव यू अ नॉलेज अबाउट ऑल द ब्रांड्स दैट आर अवेलेबल इन इंडिया राइट नाउ, ताकि आपको वो नॉलेज में रहे. व्हेनेवर यू वांट समथिंग यू कैन decide कि okay this brand is affordable, कि इनका क्वालिटी शायद अच्छा है and all of that. So this really helps me when I see this type of videos. It really helps me a lot. So I think this video is gonna help you a lot as well. So yeah, I have done a long introduction. Now without any further ado, let's hop into the video. Okay, so the first brand that I'm going to talk about is Blue Heaven. Now this is a brand जो कि बहुत जन इस ब्रांड के बारे में बात करते हैं. और अगर हम लोग प्रोडक्ट्स की बात में आए तो बहुत सारे वेराइटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. मतलब दे हैव फाउंडेशन, दे हैव everything, okay, and they are super affordable. The foundation is just for ₹85. Can you even believe it? Foundation for 85. Oh my god. So yeah, Blue Heaven is a brand जिसमें बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल हैं. एंड अगर आप टीनेज में हैं, आप वैसे प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए यू सर्च, यू कैन गेट योर हैंड्स ऑन दिस ब्रांड. यू कैन ट्राई दिस ब्रांड एटलीस्ट. मैंने एक प्रोडक्ट ट्राई किया है एंड आई लव्ड इट, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट इट्स चीप. सो मे बी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स उतने अच्छे नहीं भी हो सकते हैं, बट आई इंसर्ट द रिव्यूज एंड सम प्रोडक्ट्स ऑन द स्क्रीन सो दैट यू कैन सी. दे हैव लिपस्टिक स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ओनली ₹95. आई मीन, इज दैट पॉसिबल? या इट इज़. एंड अगर मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताऊँ जो इस ब्रांड में अच्छा नहीं लगा मुझे व्हेन आई सॉ, वो है आई शेडो पैलेट्स. उनके पास बहुत सारा वेराइटी ऑफ आई शेडो पैलेट्स भी नहीं है एंड बहुत सारे अच्छे कलर्स भी नहीं है, इवन एक भी पैलेट में. सो आई थॉट कि आपको बता दूँ कि उनके आई शेडो पैलेट्स उतने अच्छे नहीं है, मुझे नहीं लगे, बट उनका बाकी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल एंड अच्छा है. Okay, so let's move on to the next brand. The next brand is LA Colors. Now I haven't tried even one product by LA Colors, but I recently got this brow pencil by LA Color. I have tried it. Now I am someone जो अपना brow कभी नहीं करती. I never do my eyebrows, but I just got it to learn. Now I don't know कि ऐसा है कि आपका अगर eyebrows black color का है तो you should get darkest brown color pencil to fill in your brows. I got a black one and which looks very odd on my eyes, so I cannot give you review कि कैसा है. But हाँ, ये creamy texture है और ये ना हार्ड टू अप्लाई है. ये बहुत इजीली शो नहीं करता है आपके ब्राउ लाइन में या ब्राउ एरिया में इफ़ यू यूज़ इट. नाउ आई कैनॉट से कि कैसा लगता है आफ्टर यू यूज़ इट because I haven't, क्योंकि ये black color का है and it doesn't look good when you apply it. But it also has a spoolie and I got this for around 100 to 150 rupees, which is not a bad deal considering कि brow pencils बहुत ज़्यादा प्राइस के भी आते हैं. They also have a brow tint which is really good. and मैंने सुना है जो लोग अपना brow उतना ज़्यादा fill नहीं करते, they can just use a brow tint and they're good to go. The best things available in this brand is their eyeshadow palettes. Oh my god, you guys, the eyeshadow palettes, they are so beautiful. They have this color block eyeshadow palettes and their rose variant is so beautiful. They have, I think, 9 to 12 colors if I'm not wrong, and they are only for $375. Their eyeshadow palettes are starting from $275 by the way, and the rose one is so beautiful. The colors are so beautiful. I mean, I was just looking. They were so beautiful colors, okay? I'll insert a picture of that palette here. They also have 4 other variants on that same palette. Uske alawa, they have lipsticks which are very beautiful, starting from 198. They have one contour and conceal palette with 8 shades. That is a little bit high in the price range. It's around rupees 750, लेकिन they give you 8 shades in that one palette. So I think वो अच्छा एक deal है. If you are someone जो कि makeup artist है या बनना चाहते हैं तो you can invest because they have variety of shades. Now LA Colors में कुछ products है जो बहुत ज़्यादा affordable है if you are a beginner, and कुछ products है जो high end भी है, जैसे कि कुछ eyeshadow palettes, कुछ contour palettes जैसे कि मैंने कहा. So you can choose your price range and you can buy, and they have a lot of things in their brand. So yeah, you can really surf this brand out. They're really good. I have read the reviews, they're pretty fine. So yeah, the next brand that I'm going to talk about is Swiss Beauty. Now this is a brand which is affordable and high end at the same time. I wouldn't say high end, but they are affordable and not super affordable at the same time. So the one product that is very very popular from this brand is this makeup fixer spray by Swiss Beauty. Now if you're a blogger or a beauty creator, इसके बारे में तो आपने देखा होगा, सुना होगा, या आपके पास होगा ही, because this is so popular. When you just spray it, it gives this beautiful glow to your face, and I don't know if it's catching on camera, but this is really good. This is the first, and I think it's the last. I won't say last because आगे I can try more, but this is the first and forever makeup spray that I really do love. सबसे पहला बात, it's natural, okay? ये एलो वेरा एंड विटामिन ई से बना है, so that's really good. And this is priced somewhere around 300, so that is a great deal for the quantity that you get. So yeah, this is a very popular product, and if you're someone who are looking for affordable makeup fixer spray, this is a really good deal, okay? The next product that I have by Swiss Beauty is their eyeshadow palettes. I mean, this palette is so beautiful. I mean, this is the packaging, and when you take this has this beautiful shade, and you just open it and see. They have these beautiful colors. They have almost all the colors you need to create some funky looks or some neutral looks as well. I personally bought this palette just for this lavender shade. I mean, I love lavender shades, okay? And this one is really very good, okay, this palette, because now all these shades are shimmery, okay? They are not matte, they are not creamy, they are powder shimmer. If I just can show you, if you can see the shades, I mean, they are so beautiful. Well, I'm gonna do a top 5 affordable eyeshadow palettes with good colors video soon, so I'm not gonna swatch this right now for you, but one thing that I can say for this palette is this is really good and a good investment. It is priced around 700, and if there's some offer going on, then you'll get it for around 500, which is a big deal because you get 15 shades, which is a deal, okay? This is the second product that I have by Swiss Beauty. The third product is this lip balm. Now please don't get me started for this lip balm. I mean, this is not a lip balm, this is a lipstick. This is their 02 color change gel lipstick. This is priced only for 149. Just look at the classy packaging. I mean, this is so pretty. This is very good quality. I've used this. This gives a beautiful tint to your lips. This is not a proper lipstick. ये full coverage नहीं देता आपके lips, but this is a tinted lipstick जो कि आप अपने lip balm के जैसे भी use कर सकते हैं. And I just fell in love with this packaging. Okay, the time when I bought it, I didn't saw this thing. I just got it for this packaging. So classy, so beautiful, and at this price range, you will not get any other lipstick. I feel. I just cannot say anything more about this lip balm. I love it so much. ओके, तो स्विस ब्यूटी एक ऐसा ब्रांड है जिसमें अगेन आपको बहुत ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट्स भी मिल जाएंगे और बहुत ज़्यादा प्राइजी प्रोडक्ट्स भी मिल जाएंगे. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ आई शेडो पैलेट जो इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा प्राइजी है, एंड बहुत सारे आई शेडो पैलेट्स है जो उतना प्राइजी नहीं है. यू गेट 9 शेडेड आई शेडो पैलेट्स फॉर ओनली 250 रुपीज़ और समथिंग, विच इज़ अ ग्रेट डील अगेन इफ यू आर बिगिनर, इफ यू आर जस्ट स्टार्टिंग अप विथ योर मेकअप skills. And also they have a palette. I'll insert a picture again with 40 shades, 40 beautiful shades, and that palette is only for 999. I mean, अगर मुझे एक ही पैलेट लेना पड़ता जिससे मुझे बहुत सारा लुक क्रिएट करना है, आई वुड गेट दैट पैलेट, क्योंकि उसमें इतने सारे कलर्स है, इतना अच्छा क्वांटिटी है, एंड उतने कम प्राइस रेंज में इतना कलर्स हमें नहीं मिलता. एंड स्विस ब्यूटी इज़ अ गुड ब्रांड. बहुत सारे बड़े इन्फ्लुएंसर्स यूट्यूबर्स ने भी उसे ट्राई किया है एंड यूज़ करते हैं हेयर एंड देयर. वी हैव हर्ड अ लॉट अबाउट, आई हैव एटलीस्ट, you have also maybe. Eyeshadow palettes are started from around rupees 299, and they have liquid shimmery eyeshadows for rupees 199 only, and they have this kit of 12 lip liners, okay, 12 big size lip liners for only $4.99. So yeah, now moving on to the next brand, we have Nikaki. Now Nikaki is a very recent brand जो कि हम अभी recently ही सुन रहे हैं, and they got popular because of their eyeshadow palettes. I have two of them right now with me, Under the Sea and Poison Apple. Now I have tried both of them. Well, I have one shade right now on my eyes, if you can see. This is so beautiful. I mean, they are highly pigmented, okay? Highly pigmented. If you want to see how much pigmented this is, please head over to my IGTV video. I will link my Instagram down below. You can go there and check it out. I have created a Valentine's Day look using this palette only, and please don't get me started with this palette. This is so beautiful. I mean, all the variants in this range is so beautiful. They have a variety of colors, a lot of colors that you are searching for. They are only for 300, which is also a little bit pricey, but considering the quality they give you, I mean, you can get your hands on this, okay? To start with, these are really good palettes. If you are starting with some funky looks and all of that, please go in with these palettes. They are super awesome. They have around 8 such palettes. They are really good, and also they have launched or are going to launch, I don't know. I have seen a post by their Instagram profile कि बहुत जल्दी वो लोग एक 21 शेड का आई शेडो पैलेट लॉन्च करने वाले हैं, जिसमें शिमरी शेडोज है, जिसमें न्यूड शेड्स है, जिसमें क्रीमी शेड्स है, ऑल ऑफ दैट. ओके, सो दे हैव ऑल्सो रिटन हियर कि कौन सा शेड कहाँ के लिए है, विच इज़ फॉर ब्लश, विच इज़ फॉर आई शेडो. वेल, आई यूज ऑल ऑफ देम फॉर आई शेडो बिकॉज आई डिड माई ब्लश विथ one of the shades in this palette and that happened to be a disaster. थोड़ा मेरा गलती था, बट थोड़ा इसके पिगमेंट का भी गलती था, क्योंकि ये इतना पिगमेंटेड है कि you can't use this as a blush. And I use this on my 3-minute makeup challenge. If you want to see कि कैसे मैंने इसको blush में create किया था and कैसे disaster हो गया था, I'll link that video up. You can check it out. I can swatch this for you guys if you want to see. I mean, just look at the shades, okay? If you want anything more in this price range, I mean, they're super good, okay? They are super good. I really love these palettes a lot, and I'm looking forward to buy a lot more from this range. The next product from this very brand that I am a huge fan of are these lipsticks. These are their matte lipstick. I got them only for $198. I mean, how can this lipstick be so good? I mean, I'm wearing this shade right now on my lips, and you can see how beautiful this shade is. This complements my skin tone so much. I mean, I'm in love with this shade, okay? I love it so much. मैंने इसको इतने सारे वीडियोस में यूज़ किया है, अभी जो मैं बना रही हूँ एंड जो मैंने IGTVs बनाया है. I mean, I'm in love with the texture and I'm in love with the shade, okay? You can see. I'm gonna do a top 10 lipstick video also very soon. So I'll talk in depth about this lipstick in that video. So, but right now I can say कि मुझे ये lipsticks इतने पसंद है इस price range में, only for $198. The texture they have, the colors they have, they are super awesome, and they have a lot of other lipstick ranges around this price, $198. They have super beautiful shades, okay? Super beautiful shades. Moving on to the next. Hey guys, this video is gonna be part 1, and part 2 I will post very soon, so please stay tuned. Will be right after this video, as this video is a long video. One video of 30 minutes will be not good for me or for you to watch. I'll divide this into parts. So yeah, in case you want to watch that part, please do subscribe. I'll post that part very soon. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. It really makes me very happy and also bless my hard work. And अगर आपको ये वीडियो अभी तक थोड़ा भी हेल्पफुल लगा है, please wait for the part 2, because उसमें और भी अच्छे ब्रांड्स के बारे में I have talked about. And if that video is already up, I'll link that below for you guys so that you don't miss out on that. And also, if you want, you can go give me a follow on my Instagram. My handle will be right on the screen somewhere and in the description box. So yeah, अगर you like watching me, please do subscribe. I'll meet you soon with the part 2.